If you want to sort a list of items, there is a function called sort in Python. For example, I have a list of numbers. If I want to sort this list of numbers, I can simply call numbers.sort. Let's try to print numbers and see the output. The numbers are in the sorted order now. If I want to sort these numbers in descending order, I can simply use an argument called reverse equals true. Now the order is simply reversed. The first element in the list is 20. The same applies to strings as well. For example, let's create a list of names. Alice, Bob, Tom, Alex, John. To sort this list of names, we can simply call names dot sort. Print the names array. Let me remove this print. So we see the list of names sorted in the alphabetical order. If you want to reverse the order, you can simply pass this reverse parameter or argument. You will see the order of names reversed. This names is sorted in the alphabetical order, but I want to sort the names based on their lengths. This can be done by using the key function. So to this sort, we can pass another parameter called key, which takes a lambda function or any function. So here, since this is a simple logic that you have to calculate the length of each item in the names list, and based on the length, you have to sort. So this is a simple operation. So I'm using a lambda function here, x colon length of x. Let's remove the reverse for now so that we get this names array sorted based on the lengths in ascending order. Now if I run this, you would see Tom, Bob, Alex, John, and Alice. This is not sorted in alphabetical order, but it's sorted on the length. The length or the names with length 3 are coming first, then the names with length 4, and then the name with length 5. If you want it in the reverse order, just pass reverse equals true. Now we would see Alice as the first name in the names list. Let's take another example where we have a list of dictionaries with the employee information, and we want to sort the list of dictionaries based on their age. Let's first create the employees dictionary list. As you know, dictionary is created using two curly braces, and we have key value pairs. The first key is going to be the name, and the second key is going to be the age. I'll create two more similar dictionaries. Tom and John. Let's update these ages to 29 and 25. Let's sort this dictionaries based on the age. We can do that by calling employees.sort, and we'll pass a key. I'll use lambda function here where we get the age property of each of this dictionary. If you want to sort this in a reverse order of the age, you can simply pass reverse equals true. But for now, I want this to be sorted in the ascending order based on the age. So what are we doing here? We have a function which takes each of this dictionary and returns the age from this dictionary using get. Now, if we print employees, let me remove this print to avoid confusion. So we have this Alex, whose age is 23, followed by John with age 25. followed by Tom with age 29. If I put reverse equals true, we'll see the dictionaries in the reverse order. First 29, 25, and 23. If you have complex operations, instead of lambda, you can define a function and pass the function name to key parameter. So instead of using lambda function to get the age, let's define a function. Def get the employee age, which takes a parameter of employee dictionary, and it returns emp.get of age. Let's pass this function reference here and call the function, call the output. We see the same output here. Tuples don't have a sort function. Let's see what happens if we try to sort tuple items using sort. So I'll remove all this, and instead of list, I'll use a tuple. Let me run this. We see an error saying tuple object has no attribute sort. If you remember, while discussing about tuples, I told you that tuple is immutable. Sort function will update the original list, which is not allowed in case of tuples. So if you don't want to modify the original list, Python provides another function called sorted, which returns the new list with the sorted items. So instead of sort, I can simply make it sorted. And now this will be passed here. So names, comma, key length. Let's see the output. Okay, let me print the new array. Sorted returns a new array. So let's store in sorted names variable and print it. Now we see the names sorted in the reverse order based on their lengths. Let's use sorted on numbers as well. Convert this to sorted and pass numbers as the first argument. Now we see the, okay, print sorted numbers. Let's print this variable now and look at the result. This is sorted in the reverse order.